Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're looking at something essential for anyone who's had a bit of a mishap with their DJI Mavic Mini or Mini 2 repair parts for the gimbal system. It's a common scenario. A minor crash, a hard landing, or just wear and tear can affect that crucial gimbal, leading to shaky footage, errors, or even complete failure. Replacing the whole drone or sending it off for repair can be costly and time-consuming. This is where these specific accessories come in. We're talking about key components designed to fix those common gimbal issues. The listing mentions parts like the gimbal camera lens coaxial line, the vibration cushion, the axis arm module, and the gimbal motor itself. The seller specializes in drone accessories, which is reassuring. They state these parts are tested and in good condition, promising 100% working functionality right out of the box. They also emphasize perfect suitability for both the Mavic Mini 1 and Mini 2 and highlight the high endurance and flexibility of the materials, suggesting they can handle impacts well. For someone comfortable with a bit of DIY repair, having access to these specific parts is a game changer. Instead of replacing the entire gimbal unit, which can be expensive, you can target the specific failed component. Whether it's a broken arm, a faulty motor causing drift, or a damaged cable affecting the feed, these parts offer a path to getting your drone's camera system back to perfect working order. Think about it. That smooth, stable footage is why we love these drones. When the gimbal isn't right, the drone's primary function for many users is compromised. Being able to replace just the axis arm if it snaps, or the vibration dampeners if they're worn, means you can potentially save a significant amount of money and get back to flying and filming quickly. The coaxial line is vital for transmitting the camera signal. The vibration cushion is key to isolating the camera from drone movement for smooth video. The axis arm provides the physical structure and movement, and the motor drives the stabilization. Each part plays a critical role. Finding reliable replacements for these specific components can be tricky, so a source specializing in these parts, claiming rigorous testing and perfect fit, is definitely worth considering for anyone facing gimbal problems with their Mini 1 or Mini 2. It's important to note that while the listing mentions new repair parts, there's also a note about a used Mini 2 gimbal. This might imply different options, or perhaps the used gimbal is a source for some of the tested parts, but the focus seems to be on providing tested, working components for repair. The promise of high endurance and flexibility is particularly appealing for parts that are inherently vulnerable to physical stress. Knowing these components are designed to withstand impact adds confidence for future flights. Ultimately, for Mini 1 and Mini 2 owners dealing with gimbal issues, having access to tested, specific repair parts like these offers a practical and potentially cost-effective solution to get their drone back in the air and capturing stable footage.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.